If you've ever wondered how to properly sign out of your Gmail account, whether on your own device or especially on a shared computer, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to securely log out of Gmail in just a few clicks. It's a simple process, but knowing it well can help you protect your personal information and keep your account safe. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. From there, head over to the Gmail website and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll see your inbox displayed with all your emails. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture, or if you don't have one set, it might just show the initial of your name. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. Inside that menu, you'll see several options. What you're looking for is the one labeled Sign Out. Click on it, and just like that, you'll be logged out of your Gmail account. You'll notice Gmail takes you back to a login page confirming that you're no longer signed in. Here's something important to remember. If you're logged into multiple Gmail accounts at once, clicking Sign Out will only log you out of the account you selected. If you want to sign out of all accounts at once, there will be a separate option that says Sign Out of All Accounts. That's the one you should use. For added peace of mind, especially on public or shared devices, always double-check that you're truly signed out. A quick way to do this is by refreshing the Gmail page or trying to open Gmail again. If you're asked to enter your email and password, you can be confident your session is closed. And here's a final tip. If you're using your personal device, you don't necessarily need to sign out every time. Instead, just make sure your phone or computer is protected with a strong password, PIN, or even biometrics like fingerprint or face unlock. That way, your Gmail account stays secure without the extra step, and that's all it takes. Signing out of Gmail is quick, but it's one of the easiest ways to protect your emails and personal data. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.